2018, a new era in the aviation sector has dawned in India, and Globe Hi-Fabs is proud to be a part of this. Under the regional connectivity and UDAN schemes of the Government of India, we are witnessing a tremendous thrust in the development of infrastructure to enable more flights to operate in the country. Besides creating many small airports all over the country, work has commenced on 2 new airports in Navi Mumbai and Delhi National Capital Region, each with a capacity of 40 million passengers per annum. Major expansion is also underway at Bengaluru International Airport. The various airlines operating in India have orders placed for nearly 1,000 aircrafts to be delivered in the next 7 years, 60% of which are for replacement and 40% for expected growth in air traffic. India will have almost 200 operational airports by 2023, and the total airport passenger handling capacity will rise from 265 million in 2017 to 480 million by 2036. The number of aircraft movements at Indian airports is currently around 6,500 per day, and this will increase by 13% year-on-year by 2023 to almost 12,000 movements per day, increasing the refueling requirement by 60%, and thus India will need 800 more aircraft refueling units by 2023. In view of this, Globe Hi-Fabs is looking to increase capacity by 300% till 2023 to meet a once-in-a-nation's history moment of increase in aircraft refueling demand. Presently, Globe Hi-Fabs has a 40% market share, and our endeavour is to increase this to 60% by 2023. Globe Hi-Fabs started making aircraft refueling units in 1982, and over the last 36 years have supplied hundreds of refuelers of capacity up to 45 KL as well as hydrant dispensers of 1000 GPM flow rate to all the oil companies and interplane operators retailing jet fuel at commercial airports and also to the Indian Air Force. This makes us the leading supplier of aircraft refueling equipment in India. There was limited demand of this in India till 2003, when the Indian skies were opened to private airlines. There was steady growth thereafter, but the demand of refueling equipment presently is unprecedented. Globe Hi-Fabs has orders in hand with delivery schedule extending up to mid-2019. We exported the first set of 4 numbers hydrant dispensers in 2006, and since then have supplied dozens of refuelers and dispensers to clients in the Middle East, Africa and South Asia. Our strategic location, lower production costs, technological expertise and economies of scale make us an extremely aggressive competitor in these international markets. In 2016, we received the Silver Strategic Supplier Award from Enoch Dubai in recognition of the excellent performance of our 8 numbers hydrant dispensers under operation with them at Dubai Airport. We take pride in being the only company in Asia enlisted with a major international oil company to supply refuelers and dispensers for their operations around the globe. With explosive growth being seen in the African and Asian markets, we are looking to capture a decent piece of the pie starting next year, with an aim to grow that at 20% per year. Besides refuelers and dispensers, we supply low-flow rate hydrant carts, double-walled bunded tanks with refueling modules used at airports having a small throughput, pit cleaning vehicles for use at hydrant refueling pipelines, fuel bowsers and road tankers. We have received ISO 9001-2015 and ISO 14001-2015 certifications, and our facility has the statutory approval from Petroleum and Explosive Safety Organization, Government of India. Our facility, spread over an area of 10,000 square meters, is located in Delhi National Capital Region, and we have the infrastructure available for design, manufacture and testing of the complete range of refuelers and dispensers and other supporting equipment. We will be increasing our facilities substantially till 2023 to handle not just the growth in demand of new units, but also the additional requirement of maintenance and upgradation of existing units. We have a stringent quality control system in place to ensure that we meet customer requirements and international specifications, including conforming to JIG standards. Our quality policy is to achieve customer satisfaction by supplying products conforming to customer specification within the agreed time frame. We always strive to work as a motivated and dedicated team with an aim to continuously improve our operations through the training of personnel. We demonstrate our commitment to health, safety and environment by providing and maintaining safe facilities and working conditions for all our employees and visitors, adopting appropriate technologies to minimize the impact of our activities on the environment. Besides manufacturing, our activities include construction of fuel facilities and hydrant refueling system at airports and distributorship of aviation components. We are the distributors for India for Parker Velcon, Aiton Carter, Gammon Technical Products, all US-based companies, Mustang France for rubberized fuel storage tanks, and Fuelco Australia, who design and supply double-walled tanks for storage of fuel, which can also be used along with dispensing kits for retailing diesel and petrol commercially. We are promoting their range of products in view of the Government of India's decision to add over 100,000 petrol stations across the country over the next 20 years. We are also the licensee of Parker Velcon to manufacture aviation filtration vessels, both horizontal and vertical, for use on board the refueling units, and also static vessels for use at terminals and refineries. We are now poised for a substantial growth in both turnover and profit in the years to come, as is evident from the chart on the screen. The demand in India and also within our export market will help us achieve our target of doubling our turnover and trebling our profit by 2022. Post this, the demand in India will continue for at least another decade, as we will have doubled the number of airports and more than 1,000 aircrafts to fuel on a daily basis. Growing at an average of 18.2% year-on-year since 2016, India is the fastest growing aviation market in the world and currently the third largest. Globe Hi-Fabs Middle East FZE is our Dubai-based company which oversees the marketing and business development for the Middle East and Africa, and also liaises with the agents or distributors for our products in various countries. This company also takes care of all after-sales and maintenance-related works for all equipment that have been supplied in these regions. Apart from marketing new equipment manufactured at our Delhi NCR facility, Globe Hi-Fabs Middle East also carries out refurbishment work on refuelers and dispensers and upgrades the units to JIG standards in Dubai. To promote our business overseas, we have appointed representatives in various countries besides having a branch office in USA. Our contact details are on the screen, and we look forward to receiving enquiries for supply of aviation refueling equipment and components, and also for construction of fuel facilities and HRS piping at airports. Thank you for your interest in Globe Hi-Fabs.